Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to copy a Trello board. First of all, you go to your Trello board and then you gotta click on the Trello board that you're trying to copy. Let's say this is our Trello board that I want to copy. I can easily like attach things, and let's do some like add some checklists. Let's add the snooze, like those power-ups, and then um, let's go ahead and copy it. So we're going to click on we're going to right click on this, and then we're going to click on copy. And then whatever you want to move it to, like let's say you want to copy it to the customer service problems one, like the other one that I created. I'm going to click on the board, and then it's going to be for my own self, like the board that I'm using right now, and then customer service problems. And then I can choose a position. If there's like 2, 3, 4, you can easily put it, and then you can create a card. And as you guys can see, the card has been copied. And I'll show you guys one more thing. Let's say that I have this one, the ASD one. I have a picture, as you guys can see. I double click it, I click on copy, and then I move it to the board that I want, and then I can choose the list. Let's say that I want to move it to the shipping to the customer one, and I can create the card and it will be transferred to here. So that was basically it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe because we're uploading videos about how to make money using Trello, also how to use Trello in general. So thank you all so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.